Hey.
Yeah.
Just hold on a minute.
Just do it real quick.
You might want to go down. You might want to check out.
Wake up.
You might want to check out. You might want to check out the cul-de-sac first. Don't worry about the old people.
I'll let my car warm up a little bit first, okay? I don't want to talk.
I was like, damn, what cul-de-sac?
That's when the tripod would come in handy.
Yeah.
That's on cat's eye, you know that.
That's pretty good.
It's dark. Is he gonna just do it down there?
I don't know.
It sounds like shit. I didn't say that on the camera.
He said he had to have it warm up.
Okay, let's keep going, dude.
Oh God!
Hell yeah! That sounded good, didn't it?